Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva perfectly. First, let's get you started. Canva offers a user-friendly platform for all your design needs. Begin by signing up for a free account or logging in. You will find an intuitive interface with thousands of templates across many categories, from social media posts to presentations. Familiarize yourself with the basic editing tools to kickstart your creative journey. It's designed for everyone, regardless of design experience. Now, let's dive into mastering design elements. Canva provides access to millions of stock photos, icons, and a vast selection of fonts. You can easily customize every aspect, from changing colors and sizes to adjusting positions with precision. Don't forget to upload your own brand assets, like logos and specific color palettes, to maintain consistency. Experiment with filters and effects to give your designs a professional and polished look. Moving on to advanced features and collaboration. Canva Pro unlocks powerful tools such as the Brand Kit, allowing you to save your brand's fonts, colors, and logos for consistent application. The Content Planner helps schedule your posts. You can also invite team members to collaborate on designs, providing feedback and making edits in real time. Use Magic Resize to instantly adapt your design to over 20 different formats, saving you valuable time. Finally, let's talk about exporting and sharing your perfectly crafted designs. Canva allows you to download your work in multiple formats, including high-resolution JPGs, transparent PNGs, and print-ready PDFs. You can also share your creations directly to popular social media platforms with just a few clicks or send them via email. For presentations, you can even present directly from Canva. Plus, order professional prints of your designs right from the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.